Good morning or afternoon, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to be here. Today, I'll walk you through something that's changing the way many companies do business: artificial intelligence in the RFP process, or as we say, how smart technology is making proposals faster, smarter, and more successful. You may have experienced how tiring and time-consuming it is to respond to RFPs, reading long documents, gathering information, assigning questions to different teams, and writing each answer carefully. Now, imagine if much of this work could be done or guided by AI, saving time, increasing accuracy, and improving your chances of winning the deal. Let's go step by step to understand how AI is doing this. Before we talk about AI, let's make sure we're all on the same page. An RFP, or request for proposal, is a document that a company sends out when they're looking for vendors or service providers. It includes questions and requirements that vendors must respond to in order to win the business. It's a formal, often competitive process, and it can get very complicated. That's why AI is now being used to make the process more efficient and intelligent. This is the first step: deciding whether to respond to the RFP. Problem teams spend time responding to RFPs they are unlikely to win. That's wasted time and resources. How AI helps: it analyzes past data, like win-loss rates, industry type, budget, and effort needed. It compares your offering with what the RFP is asking. It gives a score or recommendation, for example, high chance of success or low priority. This is the first step: deciding whether to respond to the RFP. The problem is, teams often spend time responding to RFPs they are unlikely to win. That's wasted time and, resources. How AI helps: it analyzes past data, like win-loss rates, industry type, budget, and effort needed. It compares your offering with what the RFP is asking. It gives a score or recommendation, for example, high chance of success or low priority. Tools like Responsive or Oyster give AI-powered go/no-go decisions based on your company's past performance. The problem here is that RFPs are long documents, 50, sometimes over 100 pages. Teams spend hours just reading and breaking it down. How AI helps: natural language processing, or NLP, reads the document like a human. It highlights key sections, deadlines, security requirements, scoring methods. It automatically extracts each question into a structured format like a table. Tools like Lupio and RFP 360 break down the RFP into answerable parts, categorize them, and assign ownership. The problem is, many answers are repeated across RFPs, like company background, product features, or case studies. But finding and rewriting them takes time. How AI helps: it uses a smart content library that stores past answers. It matches current RFP questions with previous responses using semantic AI. It suggests the best fit answers so teams don't start from scratch. Many answers are repeated across RFPs, like company background, product features, or case studies. But finding and rewriting them takes time. AI helps by using a smart content library that stores past answers. It matches current RFP questions with previous responses using semantic AI. This way, it suggests the best fit answers, so teams don't start from scratch. For example, a company responding to 10 RFPs a month can reuse 70 to 80% of their content using AI suggestions. Even with suggested content, writing high-quality, customized responses takes time. Generative AI, like ChatGPT, drafts detailed answers based on keywords and past answers. It matches tone, whether you want the response to sound formal, friendly, or technical. It can summarize long content, adjust word count, or add examples. For example, Twilio's RFP Genie uses GPT-4 to generate draft responses, saving over 50% of the response time. Final reviews take time, and errors can cost the bid, like missing a requirement or exceeding word count. AI helps by scanning the entire RFP for incomplete or inconsistent answers. It checks for policy compliance, formatting errors, and required attachments. It also flags tone, clarity, grammar, and even keyword optimization. Final reviews can be pretty time-consuming, and errors, they can cost the bid. Imagine missing a requirement or going over the word count. That's where AI steps in. It scans the entire RFP for any incomplete or inconsistent answers. It also checks for policy compliance, formatting errors, and ensures all required attachments are included. Plus, it flags issues with tone, clarity, grammar, and even optimizes keywords. Take Conveyor, for instance. They use AI to perform security and legal reviews across all responses. RFPs usually involve anywhere from 5 to 15 people across various departments, and let's face it, coordination delays are pretty common. So how does AI help? Well, it assigns questions to the right person based on their skills and roles. It also sends reminders and tracks progress in real time. Moreover, it connects with platforms like Slack, Teams, or email, so all updates are centralized. Lupio's Magic Assignment AI engine, for example, assigns work automatically, allowing managers to focus more on deadlines. Teams move on after submitting the RFP, but don't always learn what worked or didn't. AI helps by tracking which responses won or lost. It identifies trends in language, timing, or content. Plus, it improves content libraries by tagging winning answers for future use. Let me share some actual results companies are seeing with AI in RFPs. Global software companies have cut down RFP response time from 3 weeks to 5 days. Financial service providers improved win rates by up to 30% just by using AI to align answers with client expectations. Marketing agencies use AI to create personalized responses in multiple languages, winning more global clients. The message is clear: AI reduces work, increases speed, improves quality, and wins more deals. AI is not here to replace people. It's here to help them do better work. People are still needed for strategy, deciding how to position the company, creativity, making the proposal stand out, decision-making, choosing which opportunities are best. AI simply takes care of the boring, repetitive, or complex tasks. So to wrap up, here's what we learned. RFPs are complicated, but AI makes them simpler. From reading the document to writing the response and reviewing it, AI helps every step of the way. Companies using AI in RFPs save time, reduce errors, and win more deals. And when AI and humans work together, it's a winning team. If your company handles lots of RFPs, it's time to explore how AI tools can support your process. Thank you so much for your time. I'm happy to take any questions or walk you through specific tools if needed.